We're going to talk about both adverbs and demonstrative adjectives and pronouns. If you'd like to see just the adjectives and pronouns part of the demonstratives notes, go ahead and fast forward now. Adverbs are quite simple. Adverbs tell when, where, how, or how long, or how much something has been going on. To form an adverb in English, we often start with the adjective and add "ly" to the end. Happy becomes happily. Quick becomes quickly. Slow, slowly. And you can hear that "ly" just add on. Seriously, frequently, slowly, quickly. In Spanish, adverbs are going to follow these steps. You're going to start with an adjective. You're going to change it to the singular feminine form and then just add mente. Imagine mente to be the Spanish equivalent of the "ly." And be careful, if the adjective has an accent, the adverb does as well. So for example, if we have the word rapido, which means quick or fast, and we wanted to change it to quickly. We have rapido, first step, so we need to change it to its feminine singular form, rapida, and then just add the mente. So quickly is rapidamente. Notice how the accent over the first A stays for the adverb. Some examples: lento is lentamente, nervioso, nerviosamente, triste, tristemente. The feminine singular form of triste is just triste, so it does not become tristamente, it's just tristemente with an E. Same thing with alegre, alegremente, frecuente, frecuentemente, frequently, lazy and lazily, perezosamente, perfecto becomes perfectamente, and fácil becomes fácilmente. So slowly, nervously, sadly, happily, frequently, lazily, perfectly, easily, seriously, seriamente, and then tranquilamente is calmly or peacefully. As for demonstratives, in English, demonstratives are this, these, that, and those, and are used to point out specific people or things. A demonstrative can be used as an adjective or as a pronoun, but it must agree with the noun that it describes or replaces. The 12 direct or demonstrative adjectives that we're going to be using are as follows. This and these is este, esta, estos, estas, where este and esta mean this, estos and estas mean these, meaning plural, and you can see how they agree in gender and number. Este is masculine and singular, estas is feminine and plural. That and those, ese, esa, esos, esas, and then if you were referring to something very, very far away, or you want to emphasize that it is far away, you use aquel, aquella, aquellos, and aquellas. The trick to remember it is this and these have the T's, that and those don't. Looking on, you can see this and these, este, esta, estos, estas, all carry the T's, while that and those do not, ese, esa, esa, esos, and esas. We can see this book is este libro, this folder, esta carpeta, estos libros, estas carpetas, this book, these books, this folder, these folders. Notice that the este and libro agrees, estos and libros agrees, esta and carpeta, estas carpetas. Using the same nouns, you can see how it's just ese, esa, esos, esas, all agreeing with the noun, and then aquel libro, aquella carpeta, aquellos libros, and aquellas carpetas. The decision that you need to make is being able to match in gender and number. So we have este is masculine and singular, libro would work there. Aquel, masculine and singular, chico. Esta is feminine and singular, so uniforme wouldn't work because it's el uniforme. La raqueta would work. Esos sombreros, because joyas is feminine. Este premio, because premio is singular along with este. Aquellas camisas, because they are feminine. Esas pelotas, because pantalones are masculine. Ese, masculine and singular. Casco, masculine and singular. Aquella, feminine and singular. Red, feminine and singular. Estos, plural and masculine. Jeans, masculine and plural as well. Here are the answers in your packet. Este sombrero, esta pelota, estos uniformes, aquellos bates, esa chaqueta, aquellas chicas, ese guante, esta red, aquellas mesas, and esas camisetas. This hat, this ball, these uniforms, those bats way over there, that jacket, those girls way over there, that glove, this net, those tables over there, and those t-shirts. Demonstrative pronouns are used more in conversation and when they are used to replace a noun instead of supplement it. They need to also agree in gender and number. The difference between demonstrative pronouns and adjectives is that the pronouns have a written accent on the letter E. So if we look at our charts again, it's the same charts as before, except every E has a written accent. Este, esta, estos, estas, pronounced exactly the same way as before. If we wanted to ask the question, what racket? And we wanted to say, this racket, we could say esta raqueta, this racket. Or we could just get rid of the word raqueta, put an accent on the E, and just say esta. It would be the equivalent of saying what racket? This one, esta, this one. What glove? If we want to say this glove, we say este guante. Or if we want to just say this glove, this one, we say este. What boys? If we wanted to say those ones over there, we could say aquellos, referring to those ones over there, or you could say aquellos chicos. But of course, the pronouns on the right are replacing the nouns. What jeans? Those jeans, esos jeans, or esos, those ones. What house? This house, esta casa, or this one is just esta. What backpack? That one over there. We could say that backpack over there, aquella mochila, or aquella, meaning that one. What pencil? That one. Ese. Que bate? Este, this one. Que chica? That one. Esa. Que chaquetas? Those ones over there. Aquellas. The style of question that you'll be asked on quizzes and tests is to respond with pronouns. So for example, do you like those jeans? If someone was to ask you, do you like those jeans? And you wanted to respond negatively and say, no, I prefer these ones. There's no need to repeat the word jeans in your answer. You could just say, I prefer these ones, instead of saying, I prefer these jeans. So you'd say, no, I prefer these ones, estos, referring to jeans. So switching the esos over to estos and adding an accent. Do you like that shirt over there? No, I like that one. No, prefiero esa. Do you like those gloves? No, I prefer those ones way over there. No, prefiero aquellos. ¿Te gustan aquellas? Sorry about that. ¿Te gustan aquellas mochilas? No, I like these ones, or I prefer these ones. Prefiero estas. You can see that estas agrees with mochilas, aquellos agrees with guantes, esa agrees with camiseta, and estos agrees with jeans. ¿Te gustan estos zapatos? These shoes? No, I prefer those ones. Prefiero esos. More answers there, just seeing that the word aquellas agrees with raqueta, aquel casco, ese bate, estas botas, and aquella tarjeta postal, all with the written accent on the E.